Founded in 2009, Thomas Oilfield Services has always had deep roots in East Texas. Our reputation and relationship with our customers have allowed us to grow very quickly. We needed room to expand, so we chose Carthage, Texas for its centralized location to our customers. Since the grand opening, we have continued our growth here in Carthage, Texas. In one facility, we were able to test our equipment, repair our equipment, and maintain service at the highest level. You know, when we moved here, we really had a plan in mind on how we wanted this to go.
Yeah, no, I think it's coming together really well. This piece of property really opened up.
Well, having all the departments here together makes a big difference. Somebody from the field needs something, we're all under one roof, we can take care of them quickly.
You know, everybody's just close by. If you need somebody, they're a few steps away.
We're a lot closer to most of our customer base as well. When they need something out there in the field,
You're right there.
Nothing.
You got a lot better communication, interaction with each other. Everybody lends a hand to help where needed. Keep this thing moving like a well-oiled machine.
Austin, how has this changed your day-to-day operations?
Man, putting all of our stuff together under one roofline has really helped us. Truck shop, pump shop, we're 45 minutes closer to all of our customers. I run our day-to-day operations, dispatching guys in the field to go rig up, rig down equipment, make sure they have the equipment they need when they go to location.
Eric, tell me a little bit about what you do here at Thomas Oilfield Services.
I manage the equipment shop, testing, washing, paint, keep everything running smoothly and keep the highest standard across the board. Using the best quality oils and filters we can get right next door, and we can just go over to them real quick and get it taken care of.
Why is it so important that we have TSD here at our fingertips?
Efficiency, it's right here. I don't have to stop what I'm doing, get up and go down the road to pick it up. It's all, you know, within walking distance.
Hold on just a second. What you got, Pablo? You need something?
Yeah.
You're good, come on.
I also oversee the fab shop. We build everything from scratch.
We mess with it out here, I build it. Build all of our new equipment, repair equipment that gets tore up and damaged and all that stuff, and design a lot of our new equipment and just kind of go through and look at it and see what we can do to make it more efficient. Everything besides pumps and frac tanks, we build in-house. It'd be pit pump, float, shaker washers, diesel pumps, all that fun stuff. If something happens on the truck or the weld machine, we carry it right over there.
Here in the truck shop, we do vehicle maintenance on all the vehicles, keep them up, oil change and all that, serviced. Trailer maintenance, do it all in-house. Don't have to wait on third-party contractors. Prioritize the work and get the parts coming. It's a lot faster time, gets the trucks back on the road a lot quicker.
So one of the reasons that we purchased this property is because we are always in growth mode and continuing to expand.
We have man camps now here at this facility. We can bring guys in from out of town. Having the fuel bay that we have now is really nice.
We just bought this 20 acres behind us back here, and we've got some big things in mind for that property.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting it cleared up, and it's going to be a state-of-the-art facility.
It's going to be exciting.
I'm ready for it.
Yeah.